Hi, today I'm making banana cream tarts. This is something I haven't made in a while, but I like to use this dessert for summer because it's really a very easy dessert to make for after dinner parties, that kind of thing. You'll begin with the larger box of banana cream pudding mix. I use one banana for this recipe. Typically, you can use two. I use the small graham cracker crust for tarts. So I like the shortbread ones if I can find them, but the graham cracker ones work well too. We'll do 3 cups of cold milk, and then we'll also have whipped cream. Next, we're going to prepare our pudding mix. We're going to add the 3 cups of cold milk to the recipe, and then we're going to begin to whisk that milk and the pudding mix around. And so you'll see as you add the milk, it'll start to turn colors, and you'll be able to take your whisk and just whip it up. And so at 2 minutes, it's a soft set, but at 5 minutes, it's considered ready. What I do is I put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and actually start to prepare my little tartlets or my little graham cracker tart trays. As you can see here, I don't know what to call them. But I add a few slices of banana to each one. And then I pull out my pudding. As you can see, it's all ready to go here. And I'm going to add my pudding to each one of the tarts using an ice cream scooper. I find it's a little easier to do if I use that. And then I'm adding a few more bananas, and then I'm covering the graham cracker tartlet, completely covering it with pudding. And at that point, I add a couple of slices to the very top. And again, this doesn't take, it takes 15 minutes. Because if you're in a hurry, you can do it fast for like a dinner party, because you're going to add your whipped cream. I add a few sprinkles, and it's usually ready to go. Now, what I recommend is that you prepare the pudding mix and bananas first, and then just before you're ready to serve, add the whipped cream and the sprinkles, because it won't hold up very long. The pudding is soft, and so you want to add that at the very last minute, but it's a great summer dessert.